I saw Palichaktambi, and there are things that I like and I did not like. Let's start with likes. Number one, the history. I loved that they explored history, but I had to research so much about it. Like, I had to search myself what is Antiochian and why does the father not like communism, and what is the problem, like, if communist people put their red flag there. I had to research it myself. I wished that the movie did that themselves. They gave like a narrative or summary of what they are trying to show. It was also like a Chandi Omen reference, and I was like, I know that guy, so I followed him all through the election. But people might not know, so you have to explain them. Like foreigners wouldn't know, or people outside Kerala might not know. And I researched about it so much. Like I saw that Kerala State Board students might know this history, but people outside Kerala might not know, so that was difficult. The world building and the visual aesthetics are fantastic. There are literally frames that I felt like they should be like a wallpaper, and the credit goes to cinematographer Tijo Tommy and production designer Dilip Nath. Thank you. Did they succeed in showing you rural Kerala? Yes, absolutely. Third thing I liked was Tovino Thomas's character. The way he was like mischievous and not serious in the beginning, that is what I really loved. I also love the part where he plays the Ravana and the fight resembles it. Absolutely fantastic. Now, the things that I did not like. The heroine part. I feel like the heroine part was absolutely unnecessary. She was just like a flower pot. Absolutely no addition to the story. If she was not there, nobody would have cared. Second thing I did not like was the ending. Why did you introduce such a powerful character of Prithvi Rajas and then you do nothing about it? There is no ending. The ending is very open ended. And also, like, if you wanted, maybe you want to do a part two, start naming your movies like chapter one or part one instead of just us spending or investing 2 hours into a movie and then movie ends in a sped up, rushed cliffhanger. Why? And also, like, the ending is rushed like within 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, I was looking at the timeline like it's going to end in 2 minutes and then nothing happens. Why would you do that?